So Edith came with 2 accessories boxes. One was a cardboard box and the other was a tin box that has other accessories in it. In the cardboard box there was quite a variety of different presser feet. You can see that there's multiples of some of them. I have 2 of some, 3 of others, so there's a lot of feet that I will probably be selling off piecemeal because we don't need multiples if I'm going to be selling one of these machines. But for instance, and they look like they're all in great condition, I've got 3 of these. This is a bias binder. I have a ruffler. I have an edge stitcher, got actually 2 of those. So quite a variety of different presser feet. This one is an adjustable hammer. I've got 2 of those, so quite a variety. So I will be selling off various parts of this, and just when I sell the machine, just put 1 of each foot in with the accessories box. And also in the tin, there's quite a variety of accessories. Just some little bits and pieces, some snaps, hooks and eyes, buttons, seam ripper, a couple of buttons, some loose keys, which I don't know what the keys belong to, and some bobbins, and we have a key in an envelope, which I don't think that's the key to the machine, but I will have to try that. So that was kind of fun to see. But as I say, there is 2 other keys in here, and I'm thinking that one of these keys will be for the actual sewing machine box. So I'm going to have to try those and see. So pretty exciting to see all these little bits and pieces that came with Edith.